Hi everyone, my name is Bianca and today I want to recreate one of my friend's amazing Draw This in Your Style. I pretty much want to try to recreate Coppertop.ink's image. So I have my supplies here and I have a headband, a few zip ties that I tried to paint red because I don't have any red zip ties and I honestly don't know if they sell red zip ties, but if they did, that probably would have been good to have because I'll show you in a sec. If the red zip ties don't work, I have my little handy dandy basket over here and I have some pipe cleaners, some curling ribbon, my wire cutters, and my glue gun. I also have this red poster paper, and do you know where this came from? This is from my gnome costume. I always reuse things that I have because I'm not gonna throw it away. So I'm going to make some hearts for the headband. So I'm gonna get started on this, but I wanted to show you these zip ties. So let me turn the camera around. Like I told you, I had these black zip ties and I didn't really like how I painted them. It's kind of like a crime scene here, you know? Oh my gosh. But I tried testing it out to see if it would keep the paint on, and it's not. So, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna use these, but if you want, you can. I've made a few headpieces with zip ties and it looks great. What I've done if I've had to paint them is I spray paint them. This was just like regular house paint, I think, or was it acrylic paint? I don't know. I think it was acrylic paint, but it didn't work out. So I think I'm going to get rid of that because I don't like how that looks. Because I don't like how the zip ties are looking, I figure I can use these pipe cleaners. And this is what it looks like with the pipe cleaner. I can probably put like a little bit of glue there or just wrap it around. I think this is a little big. I've already cut one of them. Please use a wire cutter because this is wire. It can damage your scissors. It's happened to me before. So, you know, just make sure that you use the right tool. I kind of like how it looks this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I only need 3 of them, so I'll just cut one more in half. Okay, so I have my wires now. Now I need to cut some hearts. And I want to cut 2, 4, 6 of them. I don't have a template, so it is what it is. That doesn't look that great, but this is okay. That looks okay. And if anything, I can use this as a template now and start doing that. Alright, so what I've done, I apologize because I thought I was recording and I was not. I grabbed my curling ribbon and I wrapped it around this thing, which it's going to be difficult for you to know what this is, but this is 6 inches. 6 inches! So I'm grabbing the curling ribbon and wrapping this around. I wrapped it around like this. So on one side it's wrapped twice and then over here once. And then I curled it a little with the edge of my scissors and just went down. And that's a beautiful little curl. And then I'll just go and glue these in between my hearts, just like I have over here. will be the top part of the heart, I hope. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do now is grab my pipe cleaners. I'm going to glue them on the bottom of these 3 hearts. And remember to make sure your markings are on the inside of the heart. I apparently haven't learned my lesson. The final thing is gluing these together. I don't know if I want to use my glue gun or if I should just use regular Elmer's glue. You can use whichever one you have. I used Elmer's glue, not Elmo's glue. Do they make Elmo's glue? Is there such a thing as Elmo's glue? All right, now that these are semi-dry, I hope they're dry. I've let them rest for a bit. Eesh, they're not fully dry, but it's fine. I'm gonna start putting these in the headband. And here you'll see, I wrapped that one. And that's my headpiece. I think it's looking pretty cute. Okay, so I am gonna try it on and see how I like it. I think it looks really cute, but you can already see something that I hope you can see. It's very floppy. So I think I'm going to probably glue it at the bottom here onto itself to make it a little sturdier, because it's moving a lot. It's a lot of weight with the paper. Unless I put it closer. All right, so before I go and change, I didn't put any glue on it. What I did was tighten it a little bit more at the bottom so that it was a bit sturdier. I think it looks really good now that it's a little bit tighter, and all that's left is for me to get dressed and show you the final look. All right, well, this is the final look. I put on this wig and tried painting my face very similar to Coppertop.ink's drawing. I also painted my legs because I don't have stockings with little hearts on the back of them. So I painted my legs. Posing was difficult. The angles that the little drawing is in are quite difficult for me to replicate and show off both of the stockings, but that's okay. I think I did a pretty good job, I hope. I really like how the little headband turned out, and I think it looks super cute for a Valentine's Day costume, or you know, you want to be a cute little Valentine's themed costume for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. If you do make this, please make sure to share it with me on Instagram. I always love seeing your makes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. As you know, I am... Goodbye. Thank you. Oh my god.